crashed UFO discovered on the surface of Mars. Over a couple of years, Curiosity rover has gathered countless pictures from the surface of the red planet, many of them resembling to lost relics from a former Martian civilization. We now know that water once flowed over this now desolated wasteland, therefore the conditions for supporting life had been ideal. The data received from Curiosity rover indicates that life on Mars might have ended sooner than some scientists believed. This picture captured by Curiosity caused quite a stir among viewers, as it reveals what seems to be a flying saucer, crashed into the rocky terrain of the red planet. While some people saw nothing more than a strangely shaped rock, others considered it to look like an artificially made device of some sort, cleverly resembling to a flying machine used by extraterrestrials. By looking at the terrain on which the object stands, we noticed that the nearby stones are nothing like it, and there is no similar structure around it. Is it possible that Curiosity rover photographed a relatively new UFO crash site? With a hemispheric form below the flat, central disk and a similar, narrow dome on top, it fits the classic appearance of a UFO. In addition to the classic features, the surface of the central disk is smooth and seems to slightly reflect light. Even though the object is covered with a dense layer of dust from the surface of Mars, it looks rather undamaged, ending there as a result of a forced landing instead of a crash. UFO supporters have claimed that it's unlikely that the object was formed due to natural phenomenon which occurred on Mars, because it looks distinct and is also the first and only one of its kind. There are also skeptics saying that it is most likely a rock with classic UFO features formed along the course of many years, which happens to look like an earthen concept of a flying spaceship, and that people see whatever they want in images such as this. Whatever the truth might be, this photo shares some evidence regarding the supposition of life being found on Mars, or even more, an advanced species that has once dwelt here.